Sample paper 1, subject economics, class 11th half yearly examination of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Syllabus covered in this paper is up to production function in microeconomics and up to mode in statistics. General instructions: all the questions in both the sections are compulsory. However, there is an internal choice in some questions. Each section have 4 internal choice, means like 1 mark question have 1 internal choice, 3 marks questions have 1 internal choice, 4 marks question have internal choice, and 6 marks question also have 1 internal choice in both the sections. Question number 1 to 10 and 18 to 27 are very short questions. It's include all type of questions like multiple choice and fill in the blanks, match the following, etc. General instructions: question number 11 to 12 and 18 to 20, 28 to 29 are 3 marks questions which need to answer in 60 words. Question number 13 to 15 and 30 to 32 are very short answer questions carrying 4 marks each, and answer should not be more than 70 words. Question number 16 to 17 and 33 to 34 are long answer questions wrongly written. It's a long answer questions carrying 6 marks each, which have to answer in the 100 words. An answer should be in brief, to the point, and word limit is not applicable in the numerical questions. So very first objective type questions which involve 1 mark questions. Question 1 to 10. Question 1: which of the following is an economic activity? And the options are: it is a production, the B consumption, C distribution, and D all of these. Question number 2: define statistics in singular sense. So statistics in singular sense, you have to write the definition. Question number 3: which method is suitable to collect data on population of a country? And the options are: census method, sampling method, or random sampling, or none of these. Question number 4: axis divides the plane of a paper into, and the options are: 2 quadrants, 3 quadrants, 4 quadrants, or none of these. Question number 5: by which name the heading of column of a table is also known as? The parts of the table, by which name of the heading of column of a table is also known as? Question number 5 have internal choice. If in a series the profit and loss of a company in different year is given, it is an example of which type of classification? Means if you have to present that, if you have to classify the data, the profit and loss of a company in the different years, which type of classification you will use? Question number 6: which average is affected most by the presence of extreme items? That is median, arithmetic mean, mode, or none of these. Question number 7. If 5 students obtain 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 marks, what would be the arithmetic mean? And the options are 20, 30, 10, 5. Question number 8. The most common type of instrument used in survey is. Question number 9. Statistical calculation in classified data based on. Options are the actual values of observation, the upper class limit, the lower class limit, and the class midpoint. Question number 10. A less than ogive is never increasing, decreasing, constant, or none of these. Short answer type questions, 3-mark question. Question number 11. Explain the merits and demerits of mode. Question number 11 have internal choice, and the question are define median and what are its merits and demerits. What are the merits and demerits of median? Question number 12. Present the information in a pie diagram. Sectors are given: primary, secondary, transport, finance, social service, and total. And the percentage share are given: 16.2, 25.4, 27.5, 18.1, and 12.8. That is 100%. So you have to present the information in the pie diagram. Short answer type questions, 4-mark questions. Question number 13. Calculate the median from the following data, and the data are given: class interval 30 to 40, frequency 32, 40 to 50, frequency 48, 50 to 60, frequency 56, 60 to 70, frequency 45, 70 to 80, frequency is 30. From the given data you have to calculate the median. Arrange the following data in the form of an exclusive frequency distribution using 5 to 10 as the initial class interval. So in this you have to make the different series, that is 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, like this, and then make the tally and the frequencies. Distinguish between primary and secondary data. Distinguish between primary and secondary data. And question number 15 have internal choice. Explain the importance of statistics in economics. long answer type questions, 6 mark questions. Explain briefly with one merit and one demerit of each, that is mean, median and mode. Question number 17. Calculate mode from the following series, and the class intervals are given: 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, and the corresponding frequencies are given: 1, 2, 10, 4, 10, 9 and 2 respectively. Question number 17 or the following table shows marks secured by the student of a class in an examination in economics. Marks are given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80, and the number of students are given 12, 16, 32, 32, 52, 42, 32 and 18. Calculate the mean marks using step deviation method. Next section is microeconomics. Objective type questions, 1 mark questions. Question number 18. Define the marginal product. What do you mean by marginal product? Question number 19. If MOC is increasing, then shape of PPC will be, what will be the shape of PPC if marginal opportunity cost is increasing? Question number 20. Define a production possibility curve. Question number 21. When the consumer will be in equilibrium, what will be the condition of the consumer? That MUX is equals to PX, that MUX is less than PX, so MUX is greater than PX, or none of these. Question number 22. If two goods are substitutes, then what will be the effect on demand of one commodity when there is a rise in price of another commodity? Question number 23. What do you mean by individual demand? Question number 24. If due to rise in price of good Y, the demand for good X rises, the two goods are supplementary goods, whether the statement is true or false. Question number 25. Name any one factor which affecting elasticity of demand. Be careful, it's affecting elasticity of demand, not demand. Question number 26. Which of the following will have the elastic demand? And the options are medicine, bread, books or gold. Question number 27. What is positive economics? And this question has internal choice. What is normative economics? Actually it is not negative, it's normative economics. Then short answer questions. Question number 28. Why more of a good is purchased when its price falls? Question number 28 have internal choice. Explain the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. Question number 29. Explain the relationship between marginal product and total product. Short answer type questions. Question number 30. Explain the effect of the following on demand for a good with the help of diagram. Rise in income, rise in prices of the related goods. Question number 31. Explain briefly any one central problem of economy. There are three central problems of economy, so you can explain only one. That is what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. Question number 31. Have internal choice. What do you mean by production possibility curve, and explain its features or characteristics. What are the characteristics of the PPC? Question number 32. When price of good is rupees 4 per unit, the consumer buys 100 unit of that good. When price rises to rupees 5 per unit, the consumer buys 75 units. Calculate price elasticity of demand. Six-mark question. Question number 33. Explain the law of variable proportion in terms of behavior of marginal product curve. Give schedule and diagram and explain the causes of this behavior. Question number 34. What do you understand by consumer's equilibrium? Discuss consumer's equilibrium with the help of indifference curve analysis. Question number 34 have internal choice. And the question is, differentiate between change in quantity demanded and change in demand. It is also known as movement along with the same demand curve and shift in demand curve. These are some links where you can find the answer of all these questions or other videos related with the different topics of the macroeconomics.